and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets experienced yet another week of ups and downs linked to several key events such as the FOMC meet, tech companies releasing quarter earnings and macro data. Bitcoin hovered near $43,000 crucial levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.3% at 55,170 points. In other news, shares of New York Community Bancorp, KBW Nasdaq Regional Bank Index have fallen due to poor performance. Analysts expect this to help fuel a rally in Bitcoin, but they advised staying cautious. Furthermore, after negotiating with the outcome, especially the Fed rate decision, the digital currencies gained momentum in the past 24 hours, largely benefiting from renewed concerns over the health of the US regional banking system. The removal of the US banking system is sound and resilient from the Federal Reserve's policy statement surprised many observers. A rerun of the banking crisis similar to the last March is seen drawing investors' attention back to Bitcoin over banking stocks. Meanwhile, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, recorded its highest monthly transaction count in 20 months in January with 36.02 million transactions. The increase in activity is often attributed to an increase in user activity, as evidenced by the daily number of unique addresses active on the network. In an interesting news, approximately 22,000 Bitcoin option contracts worth around $1 billion are set to expire this week. Additionally, 230,000 Ethereum contracts worth $530 million are also set to expire. It will be crucial to watch whether this option's expiry will likely have an impact on cryptocurrency markets or not. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.65 trillion mark, increasing 2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 22% to $48 billion. Solana recently outpaced Ethereum in the 24-hour DEX volume with a 15.34% weekly volume increase. On the contrary, DYDX, a decentralized exchange, is set to unlock over 33 million DYDX worth $90 million, marking the second event in a week. Interestingly, the Avalanche network announced the upcoming launch of its Durango upgrade on the Fuji testnet, which is scheduled to go live on February 14th. The update is expected to transform cross-chain communication in the network with major focus on Ethereum virtual machine chains. Meanwhile, Cynthia Lummis, the Senate's most reliable advocate for crypto policy, is hopeful a stablecoin bill could move forward in the first half of 2024 before elections increase political pressures in Washington. US stock futures rose as tech titans reported results and investors looked ahead to the January's jobs report. Futures tied to S&P 500 rose about 0.5%, while Nasdaq 100 futures climbed by 1%. On the other hand, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures traded lower. Bitcoin was trading at $43,060, up 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2%, trading at $2,310. BNB was up by 1% to trade at $302. Solana SOL was up 5.8% to trade at $102. Cardano's AT token was up by 5.5% to trade at $0.51. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $35.7, higher 7.3%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 4% to trade at $0.81. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1.2% at $0.079. Shiba Inu was trading up by 1.8%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, down by 2%. Polkadot was down by 4% to trade at $6.9. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0TV delivers the news that matters.
Salvador is set to revive its Bitcoin ambitions following a landslide victory for President Nayib Bukele. The country's Vice President Felix Ulloa has announced plans to construct a tax-free Bitcoin city and launch Bitcoin bonds. Despite the International Monetary Fund's opposition to Bitcoin's legal tender in 2021, Ulloa said Bukele has no plans to rescind these objectives. El Salvador offers citizenship to foreigners who donate crypto to government projects, which may encourage them to move to the new Bitcoin city. The country also plans to build a Bitcoin mining facility powered by geothermal energy, which could become feasible following the Bitcoin halving in April 2024. The global NFT market has seen a decline in trading volumes with a third consecutive week of decreasing activity. However, former US President Donald Trump's NFT collection has risen in popularity, with the Polygon network experiencing a 70% surge in sales in January. This was largely due to the success of Trump Digital Trading Card Series 2, which saw a 25% increase in floor price. Trump strategically launched his NFT collection in Bitcoin ordinals, offering a bonus for buyers acquiring at least 100 Trump mugshot NFTs. Despite a 35% decline in Bitcoin ordinal sales in January 2024, Trump's NFT collection has managed to boost sales. CryptoSlam reported a 22.5% drop in trading volumes, with total sales barely reaching $223 million for the last week. Ethereum recorded its highest monthly transaction count in 20 months in January, with 36.02 million transactions. This increase in activity is often attributed to an increase in user activity, as evidenced by the daily number of unique addresses active on the network. However, Ethereum's non-fungible tokens and decentralized finance ecosystems experienced a decline in January. CryptoSlam data showed a 2% drop in NFT sales volume on Ethereum in January, with 138,465 transactions completed, totaling $356 million. Interestingly, this fall did not mirror the general market's performance, as the total volume of NFT sales across all collections increased by 41% in January. Lastly, Ethereum's DeFi sector experienced a 7% dip in its total value locked in the last month, with a current value of $31.85 billion. In the upcoming segment, we will update you about the following news.